Oh my god.
You're dead this time.
No. This isn't fair! Dougie still gets you. Watch, ready?
No.
1,
That was gonna
2.
come from behind, huh? What's it called? Wait, what's it called? Wait, what's it called? Motorboat? What's your code?
Catch me.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Like a baby doll.
On here? Alright, ready?
No, put that on the ground just in case.
Okay.
Are you swear to God you're gonna try? You have another fill. I don't trust you. Hold on, I need more. Just in case you just want to be an asshole. You really gonna try?
Yeah, how are you gonna jump? Long ways?
Yeah, like this.
So like this?
But hold this. Yeah, like that.
Okay, ready? Watch your head.
1, 2, 3.
No, why did you put that fucking pillows there? How the fuck no?
Now what you gonna do? Smoke another one.
That's what I was thinking. I can't believe how broke you just got twice.
With my head. With my head?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Bend over. Alright. And that's how you have an idiot jump when you tell him to jump.